Hello everyone, welcome back to SAP Simplified tutorials. Today I have something very useful for all of you. I have created 3 practical handbooks for the most important SAP modules. SAP Plant Maintenance, PM. SAP Materials Management, MM. SAP Production Planning, PP. These are not ordinary notes. These are complete practical guides designed to make you job ready. In this video, I will show you what is inside each handbook, so you can clearly understand which one will help you the most. First, let's talk about the SAP PM Practical Handbook. This handbook is specially created for those who want to learn plant maintenance in a practical and simple way. Inside this handbook, you will find complete end-to-end breakdown maintenance process. Notification maintenance order confirmation TECO. Master data explained clearly, functional location, equipment, BOM, and task list. Preventive maintenance overview. Important T-codes cheat sheet. 30 interview questions with proper answers. Quizzes and real workshop exercises. I have also added common mistakes that beginners usually make, and real project tips that will help you in actual work. If you are an end user, technician, or preparing for PM interviews, this handbook will give you strong practical knowledge. Many people only learn T-codes, but in this handbook I have focused on understanding the complete process, which is very important for interviews and real projects. Now let's look at the SAP MM Practical Handbook. SAP MM is one of the most demanded modules, and this handbook covers the complete procurement cycle in a very easy and practical way. In this handbook you will learn Material Master, Vendor Master, Purchasing Info Record, and Source List. Complete process, Purchase Requisition Purchase Order Goods Receipt Invoice Verification. Inventory Management and Important Movement Types. T-codes cheat sheet for daily use. 45 interview questions with answers. Workshops and a mini project. I have also included real business scenarios so that you can understand how MM works in actual companies, not just in theory. If we look at table of contents, it is covering most important and helpful aspect of SAP MM module. It will help you learn master data essentials, procurement end-to-end process, hands-on tasks, etc. If you are a beginner or currently working as an end user in stores or purchasing, this handbook will help you become more confident in your daily work and interviews. Now the third one, SAP Production Planning, PP Handbook. This handbook is very useful for people who want to work in manufacturing industries. Inside this handbook, you will find complete discrete manufacturing process from start to end. Important master data, BOM, work center, and routing. Demand management and MRP explained simply. Planned orders and production orders. Order confirmation and goods movements. 65 interview questions with answers. Quizzes, workshops, and a full mini project. I have also explained important topics like strategy group, availability check, and order statuses in very simple language. If you want to understand how production planning actually works in SAP, this handbook will guide you step by step in a practical way. So these are the 3 practical handbooks I have created for you. 1. SAP Plant Maintenance, PM. 2. SAP Materials Management, MM. 3. SAP Production Planning, PP. All 3 are designed to make you job ready, with interview questions, quizzes, and real practice exercises. You can find the links of all 3 handbooks in the description and in the pinned comment below. You can buy the one according to your interest, or take all 3 if you want complete knowledge of logistics and manufacturing modules. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more practical SAP content. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Take care.